In this Old Guy DIY video, we will be draining and filling the PTU fluid in a 2012 Ford Escape, a second gen with all-wheel drive. It's a pretty stupid design in my opinion, but there is a fill plug, but no drain plug. So if you come up under here, that right there is a transfer case. You take a 3/8 inch ratchet and take that off. This one actually didn't have too much gunk on it. I mean, it's a little black. Let's see, a little black on the end, but nothing bad. And then I've never done any fluid transfer stuff, so I got this little kit from Harbor Freight. I believe it's a Pittsburgh. So just a little air pump, hand pump. The idea is we stick that end as far into the transfer case as we can, and we pump the other end over here. It's a little difficult to do with one person. This isn't as bad as some of the videos I've seen, but we'll see how much of this we can pump out, and then we'll start the refill process. And the refill process should be easier because we've got another pump from Harbor Freight, and then we just use the oil into there. And supposedly this thing doesn't take a whole lot of fluid, so hopefully a couple more pumps and we should be in business. After all my laborious effort, this is all the fluid that came out. Evidently it's supposed to be between 12 and 18 ounces, and this is a 17-ounce bottle, so that's like what? Oh, 4 or 5 ounces maybe? So I'm hoping there's more fluid in there and just my archaic pump technique is not working, but I did almost everything I could. I guess I could park this on a decline or kind of jack up the front and try to get more oil to the back. I don't know. I think I might just fill it up with fluid and see what happens. Like I said, the fill plug didn't have too much crap on it. This is a little bit brown, kind of looks like some chewing tobacco spit. Smells a little burnt, but it's a lot better than what I was expecting, honestly. This is what we'll be putting back in there. So 75 W140, there's a quart of it. And again, I got this little hand pumper from Harbor Freight. So we'll see how much of the quart goes in there, and I'll probably come back and do this again in 1,000 miles or something. So I'm not too worried if I didn't get all the fluid out. This is just a start. The job is done. In case you're wondering, this little Pittsburgh Harbor Freight thing, it's advertised specifically for 1-quart bottles. That's why I bought it. It does not work for 1-quart bottles. So we had to take, 1-quart bottles. We had to take this, cut it open. So I tried cutting it open and putting it in there. I didn't have enough vertical room, so I put it in the water bottles. I don't have any idea how much fluid that thing used, but as you can see from the pile of overfill under there, we got it all the way filled up. Yeah, I don't know, what a mess. Crap job. Maybe I'll do it better in the future, maybe not. But here's how much fluid came out, and that's what it looked like. And that's what the new fluid was supposed to look like. So I think the change was good. Again, I'll probably come back in 1,000 miles and do it again just to see if I can get a better technique, find a better pump. But yeah, that's how we did it.